Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever you have a screen protector that's poorly applied and it's going off the screen, it's going towards the edges. It's not here for an example, but there's a lot of it here. Then that can already cause an issue, so I would recommend just removing it. Now for the case, if you do not have an original case or just a bad case and it's covering those bezels right here, so the black parts close to the screen, and it's going on the screen, then it can already cause your screen to become very less responsive. So we definitely do not want that, and if that's the case, then make sure to remove it. Now after that, what you guys want to do is grab a microfiber cloth and give your screen a pretty much like a wash. So a few swipes is enough. Now the screen is shiny, and what you guys want to do next is go over and restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now click restart and tap again to restart the device. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is update your software. So this is the last resort. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi enabled for it. And here, as you guys can see, we want to make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. Then we go over to the settings. And after going to the settings, scroll down to software update and click download and install. So I cannot do that right now because I do not have 30%. You need 30% in your battery to download and install. But you simply click here, then click on the button at the bottom, and you will see the download and install button. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.